Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you know, say, the people them in a them ya time ya. Them wicked, bad. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 16 from verse 1 to verse 4. Now, when the Pharisee and Sadducee people them come contest Jesus, they asked him for one sign to prove that God sent him come. So him say, when evening come, if the sky red, uno say, the weather I go good tomorrow, cause the sky red. But if it red and dark up in a morning, uno say, rain I go fall today, cause the place dark up. So, uno know if you look on the sky and tell how the weather I go turn. But you can't understand the sign them. We are show all we are going now. People them in at that time, yeah. Our wicked set of people. They asked for one sign. They would have proved that God sent me. Them nah get none. The only sign them all get are something like what did happen with Jonah. Then Jesus left them and go away. I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.